Been gone for a while. We just had to take a little break. We just been real busy with a lot going on, but we're back. Yay! So today, Melanie gonna sit this one out. Her knee is not feeling good. So today, Quan is gonna teach us how to do the shoot dance. It's Big Man against Quisha. Y'all tell us down below who y'all think did the best shoot.
Me or B?
How y'all like Big Man glasses?
Yeah, my glasses cool, though, extra cool. But let's get it cracking. Who gonna do it?
Okay, so Quan, you're gonna start off by showing us, and then we're gonna end up trying to do it.
Okay.
So this is how you do the shoot, guys. Y'all watch me carefully.
Don't make a sound.
Okay.
Ready, turn.
Well, I gotta go first.
No. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, Lord, he wanna do rock, paper,
rock, paper, scissors, y'all.
Go first.
While she do rock, paper, scissors, we'll go first.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors, daddy and mommy.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I mean, right down me. You go first.
Alright. Wait, I didn't even see how Quan do it.
No, you had to be watching. Move, Mel.
Here we go. Somebody had to be watching. Here I go, y'all.
Don't make a sound.
Okay, let's do it over. Okay. Here I go, one more time. How you do it, Quan? Wait a minute, how you do it? Come do it beside me first. Let me make sure I got it.
Don't make a sound.
Here I go. I'm ready, y'all. I think I got it. Comment down below, Quisha.
Don't make a sound.
You did good. She did good.
Daytime.
Ready?
Don't keep the lamp, baby.
Don't make a sound.
You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
You wanna do it again, y'all? That make you look sweet.
Don't make a sound.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, now Mel feel up to it now, y'all. Mel feel up to it now, yeah. Her knee is feeling better, so now she want to do it. Mel turn.
Daddy got closer.
Go ahead, Quan.
You ready?
Don't make a sound.
Okay, so Quan and Mel, y'all do it together. They want to do it together now.
Don't make a sound.
Make sure y'all comment down below who y'all thought did the best, Quisha or Big Man.
Big man.
Okay, y'all, we really had fun. Thank you for teaching us, Quan.
Thank you.
And Mel.
Hey, Mel.
Happy your knee got better. So we appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification. Hit that bell. Give a thumbs up. Thank you guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit that bell. Hit that bell.
Thank you for watching.
Hit that bell. Millie Walk.